Hi, my name's Adam. I'm from Leeds in the UK. I qualified in 2017 at Manchester University. I've been working in kind of central Auckland, Epsom and Newmarket for about a year. After moving to New Zealand, I wanted to kind of upskill. I chose the course because one of the dentists that I was working with at my practice, she was doing kind of quite high level full mouth rehabs. I asked her how did she kind of get to that level. She's not much older than me, and she was like, there's only kind of one thing that I've done that's made the difference, and it was coming to Waiheke and meeting Andrea. She said she was brilliant, and that's my experience so far, to be fair. My takeaways from the course, I think it's been really comprehensive in general. I think you can't help but kind of link the examples that she's using to your patients that you've seen and kind of not been probably treated quite as comprehensively as Andrea does. I think what's brilliant is that the one-on-one and like the mentoring that she's going to kind of continue doing is, I think we can now kind of like implement a few things that she's been talking about, but also kind of with her guidance going forwards, which I'm quite excited about. Yeah, who would I recommend it for? I think I was heavily recommended coming on the course anyway, and I'm glad I have done. I think I'm the youngest here, and the age range is like all the way up to practice owners, kind of all the way to the end of careers, or almost the end of careers. But I think it's perfect for everyone. I think for a young dentist as well, it's kind of invaluable to start thinking about these things, start doing these things early.